Cancer is clearly the #1 killer in the Western world. It's a very complex disease. It is complex first because the name is a very general name. There are hundreds of types of cancer. Then for many cancers, they change behavior as we treat them. So they gradually develop drug resistance. Not only that, but cancer has a strange behavior. It sends metastases. So for example, breast cancer likes the brain. And what kills the patient are those metastases that are developing away from the primary site of the tumor. Because it's such a complex disease, in order to handle it, it requires an interdisciplinary approach. And we think that the Technion is the best place to establish an interdisciplinary cancer research center because all the disciplines necessary to approach the disease are acting within the Technion.
The Bruce and Ruth Rappaport Cancer Research Center is a comprehensive, one-of-its-kind cancer research center that will connect people and ideas from a wide range of research disciplines. The center includes about 70 researchers and clinicians from faculties all across the Technion and 5 Technion-affiliated hospitals. The heart of this center is its team. It's all about the people. They are the key to what we are doing here.
I came here because of the unique ecosystem. The Rappaport Cancer Research Center connects disciplines of basic cancer research, clinical oncology research, exact sciences, and engineering into a single synergetic environment. Building relationships with industry and pharma companies at a very early discovery phase. Connecting to basic cancer research at the Technion's medical school, and from there to clinical oncology research at Rambam, and most importantly, research dedicated oncologists and physician scientists.
We are actively developing novel strategies for constructing complex molecular structures. And with the Center for Catalysis, I recognize a major synergy between our scientific aims and the objective of the Rappaport Cancer Research Center. By promoting interdisciplinary collaboration in sciences, specifically by fostering connections between chemical sciences, catalysis, and the research conducted at the Rappaport Cancer Research Center, we anticipate the emergence of innovative solutions and perspectives.
The Technion is uniquely situated to enable this multidisciplinary research. As a computational lab, I can collaborate with the clinician and get samples, but have no ability to process them. On the other end, experimental labs often face the problem of data analysis. A core facility service will have all those abilities at the highest standard.
The idea is not only to have many researchers working on the problem, but many researchers working collaboratively, applying data that coming from one discipline into another discipline, and only this collaboration at the very end will bring a success in the combat against this disease.
The Rappaport Cancer Research Center is very well connected to a very well-designed clinical and translational research platform in Rambam.
Israel's public healthcare system is extremely well organized, with potential to receive patient data that isn't possible anywhere else. We can use these electronic medical records in order to track the patient throughout his life and perhaps identify environmental or genetic risk factors that predispose him to the disease.
As a research center within a university, we promote both discovery and education. The center will train and educate the next generation of integrative cancer clinicians, researchers, scientists, and engineers.
People always ask me about the secret of success. I think that in this case we have 2 secrets. One is education of the next generation of cancer researchers that will carry on the task. And the second one is collaboration. With these 2, we shall conquer the mountain and win the battle over cancer.